The Caribbean sun glinted off 7 FA-18 Super Hornets as they soared above the USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78, the world's most advanced aircraft carrier. Below, the vast blue expanse of the sea reflected the promise of innovation and power, as the Ford cut through the breeze talked to waves with quiet authority. This was not just another day at sea, it was the beginning of a new chapter in naval history, where technology and tradition merged on the deck of a ship designed for the challenges of tomorrow. On January 19, 2026, Carrier Air Wing 8 wasn't just putting on a show, it was demonstrating the future of naval warfare. Every maneuver, every formation, was a message to allies and adversaries alike. The U.S. Navy is ready for whatever comes next. The formation, including fighters, an E-2D Hawkeye, and MH-60 Seahawks, moved as one, a testament to relentless training and cutting-edge technology. Each aircraft played a vital role, from surveillance to strike capability, weaving a complex web of air power above the carrier. This was a live-fire exercise in command and control, timed with a change of command ceremony, proving seamless leadership transition and combat readiness. The crew's precision under pressure showcased not only their skills but also the trust and discipline that define naval aviation. Every launch from Ford's electromagnetic catapults and every recovery on its advanced arresting gear pushes naval aviation into a new era. These innovations mean faster, safer, and more efficient operations, setting a new standard for carriers worldwide. The Ford's design allows for more aircraft to launch and recover faster than ever before, giving the Navy unmatched flexibility and speed. This capability ensures that the carrier can respond instantly to threats, maintaining a constant presence wherever it sails. Pilots integrate stealth, unmanned systems, and networked data, projecting power anywhere on the globe. The fusion of manned and unmanned platforms creates a force that is both agile and unpredictable, ready to adapt to any mission. This event was a microcosm of the carrier's mission: deterrence, capability, and resolve. The Ford stands as a symbol of American commitment to peace through strength, its presence alone shaping the balance of power at sea. These aviators are not just flying jets, they're nodes in a vast, interconnected network of sensors and weapons. Their actions are coordinated in real time, leveraging information superiority to outpace any adversary. In this new era, battles are won by the speed of data and decision-making. The digital backbone of the Ford enables commanders to see, decide, and act faster than ever before, turning information into decisive action. Carrier Air Wing 8 is writing the playbook for the future of naval combat. Their innovation, teamwork, and relentless pursuit of excellence ensure that the dawn of this new era is only the beginning of what's possible at sea. Since November 2025, the USS Gerald R. Ford Carrier Strike Group has operated in the U.S. Southern Command's area, leading Operation Southern Spear. Their mission: disrupt narcotics trafficking, counter narco-terrorism, and defend America's southern maritime approaches. The Ford's deployment has spanned from the Arctic to the Mediterranean, now focusing on the complex Caribbean environment. FA-18s and EA-18G Growlers track and interdict smugglers, while MH-60 Seahawks extend the ship's reach for surveillance and interdiction. The Ford's presence is a mobile, sovereign deterrent, projecting power without reliance on foreign bases. This versatile force pivots from deterring state actors to dismantling criminal networks, always ready for any contingency. Carrier Air Wing 8, with its proud victory in combat motto, is a formidable force made up of a diverse mix of squadrons and advanced aircraft. This air wing is the heart of the carrier's offensive and defensive power, ready to respond to any threat at a moment's notice. 4 strike fighter squadrons operate the FA-18E and F Super Hornets, the Navy's core multi-role fighters. These jets are capable of air-to-air combat, precision strikes, and close air support, making them the backbone of the air wing's offensive punch. The Grey Wolves of VAQ-142 fly the EA-18G Growlers, specialized in electronic warfare. Their mission is to jam enemy radar, disrupt communications, and shield the fleet from hostile threats, ensuring the carrier's safety in contested environments. The Bear Aces of VAW-124 operate the E-2D Hawkeye, often called the fleet's digital quarterback. With its powerful radar and advanced sensors, the Hawkeye provides real-time battle space awareness, coordinating missions and keeping watch over the skies and seas. Helicopter squadrons HSC-9 and HSM-70 fly the MH-60S and MH-60R Seahawks. These versatile helicopters handle anti-submarine warfare, surface attack, search and rescue, and logistics, making them essential for both combat and support operations. The rawhides of VRC-40 keep the carrier supplied and connected with C-2A Greyhounds, delivering critical personnel, mail, and cargo to the ship, no matter where it is deployed. Each squadron brings its own unique capability, from strike and electronic warfare to surveillance and logistics, forming a seamlessly integrated weapon system that multiplies the carrier's power. Together, these squadrons form the tip of the spear for the USS Gerald R. Ford, projecting American naval power across the globe and standing ready for any mission. This is the cutting edge of naval aviation, where teamwork, technology, and training come together to dominate the skies and seas. For Carrier Air Wing 8 pilots, the day begins long before the first rays of sunlight touch the horizon. In the quiet hours before dawn, aviators gather in the briefing room, where the air is thick with anticipation and focus. Mission briefs and tactical planning sessions set the tone for the demanding hours ahead. Every detail is scrutinized, weather patterns, intelligence updates, and mission objectives are pored over with unwavering attention. Only after every variable is considered do pilots suit up in their flight gear, mentally preparing for the challenges that await on the flight deck. The deck is a scene of controlled chaos, where the harmony between pilots and ground crew is essential. Each person's role is critical, and trust is absolute. Lives and missions depend on it. Launching from Ford's advanced EMALS catapults is a leap into the future, smooth, powerful, and incredibly fast. The sensation is both exhilarating and intense, propelling pilots into the sky with unmatched precision. Once airborne, pilots execute a range of missions: combat patrols, precision strikes, or electronic warfare, each requiring sharp focus and adaptability. Throughout every sortie, they remain in constant communication with controllers and the E-2D Hawkeye, ensuring coordination and safety in the skies. Landing on a moving carrier, especially at night, is one of aviation's greatest challenges. The deck is a small, shifting target, demanding absolute concentration and skill from every pilot. Precision and nerves of steel are required to catch the arresting wire. In those final moments, training and instinct take over, bringing jet and pilot safely home. After landing, the cycle continues. Debrief, analyze every detail, and prepare for the next mission. Lessons learned are quickly turned into action, fueling constant improvement. This relentless rhythm forges not just skill, but resilience and camaraderie. Every repetition strengthens the team, building confidence for whatever comes next. On the USS Ford, readiness isn't just a goal, it's a way of life, woven into every action, every day, and every mission. In modern naval warfare, information is power, and the E-2D Hawkeye is the fleet's all-seeing eye. Its AN/APY-9 radar detects stealth threats at long range, giving commanders time to react. The Hawkeye fuses data from every sensor in the strike group, creating a unified battle space picture. This information is shared instantly across the fleet, enabling any ship or aircraft to engage threats detected by any sensor. This networked approach, called Naval Integrated Fire Control, is a game-changer. Hawkeye crews direct fighters, defend against missile swarms, and coordinate strikes, managing vast data under pressure. They are the digital nerve center, turning powerful aircraft into an integrated fighting force. The E-2D is the linchpin of the Ford's digital battlefield. The January 19th formation flight was more than spectacle, it was proof of operational mastery. Orchestrating 7 FA-18s, an E-2D, and 2 MH-60s in a single formation demanded flawless timing and communication. This wasn't an air show, it was a real-world demonstration of rapid force, generation, and command. In today's tense global environment, such displays deter aggression and reassure allies. The Ford's ability to launch and marshal large, diverse formations validates its design and operational tempo. Integrating fighters, electronic warfare, command and control, and helicopters into one networked force is the future of naval combat. CVW-8 is forging the tactics that will keep the carrier strike group dominant for decades. Behind the Ford's technology is its greatest asset: people. Pilots, flight officers, maintainers, and deck crew form a team defined by expertise and relentless commitment. Training never stops. Simulators, debriefs, and constant learning keep them sharp. CVW-8 leads the way in integrating unmanned systems, developing tactics for manned-unmanned teaming. Growler crews innovate to counter advanced air defenses. Hawkeye operators refine digital command and control. Every squadron is evolving, ensuring the air wing stays ahead of emerging threats. This culture of innovation is the foundation of future naval aviation. CVW-8 isn't just inheriting a legacy, they're building the future. The work of Carrier Air Wing 8 aboard the Ford impacts the world, not just the Navy. 90% of global trade moves by sea. Carrier strike groups guarantee the freedom of those vital lanes. The Ford's counter-narcotics mission disrupts criminal networks, protecting communities far beyond the Caribbean. Technological advances aboard the Ford, emails, advanced networks, manned-unmanned teaming, drive progress in civilian sectors too. The Carrier is a floating laboratory, spurring innovation that benefits society. The Ford's crew stands a global watch, symbolizing American commitment to stability and security. Their readiness provides reassurance in an uncertain world. The story of the Ford and CVW-8 is one of ingenuity, dedication, and the pursuit of excellence for all.